Are you tired of a vacuum that really just doesn't have a whole lot of power? So I have sitting here in front of me the Aspiron 1200 watt super sucker, otherwise what should be an amazing canister vacuum. What I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you through some of the features, all these kind of cool attachments real quick, and then let's see what kind of yucky stuff it can suck up. All right, so let's start with, real quick with the attachments. You got your normal Thor rug attachment. You got this cool little powered brush, which we're gonna take to the couch, see what it comes up with. And then you have these other normal little attachments for, you know, getting into nooks and crannies. You wanna do a little scrubbing, a little teeny brush kind of thing. Those things are all well, good and nice and normal, but let's take a look at the fun unit here. First off, it is a cool blue. I have to say it is really very neat looking. Let's start at the back and go to the front. Seems to make sense to me. So in the back here, you have its basic filter where it sucks all the air in. So that's gonna filter the air on the way into the motor. You got your power cord retract, power setting button, and your minimum to maximum power. More power. Here in the front, you got a big 3.7 quart container, which let's just pop it out. One button to pop it out. And then if you want to clean it, you just gently release it, lift that up, pour it out. You can see it is clear inside there. It's got the cyclone section, and then it dumps the heavier stuff there. And you may have noticed there's an H13 HEPA filter built into this. So what that does is when you bring in all that dust and dirt and the air's got to circulate out, it is finely filtered so it's not pouring dusty air back out into the air. Additionally, you should know, comes with a spare rear filter and HEPA filter with the kit. We got a classic nice long hose here, along with an attachment for if you're going to be vacuuming the floor or if you need to reach high. If you're just going to do the couch or something like that, maybe you just put this directly on here. You could choose what's going to work best for you. Actually, speaking of that, what do you say we go do both of those, see how it works out? All right, so let's erase this culprit's damage. Yeah, you can run and hide, but we know what you did.
Wow, just from one chair? What? Wow, okay.
Let's try the floor a little bit. Let's see if it sucks anything in there. Okay, ready? Oh, look at the hair. Ah, there's a cool hair tornado. Okay, so this thing worked really good on the chair and on the ground. So the brush is powered by the suction going through. So if you push it really hard down, you will stop the brush. But if you leave it like a nice light touch, it's got plenty of power to run that brush at a high speed. That worked well. Let's put the long extension and try going underneath some furniture. All right, so I'm gonna try with this attachment because it looks like it goes nice and flat. Look at that. Oh, look how well I get underneath there. Okay, so I know Nikki already gave you a preview, but I didn't get to see what's actually in here. Let's check this out together. Look at that.
That was crazy.
That is crazy good, actually. Let's just use the full language. Crazy good. This is absolutely nothing other than, did you agree this is a 5 out of 5 on the Doug and Nikki score?
Oh yeah.
This is definitely maybe even a 6 out of 5.
Yeah, that was amazing.
This thing is pretty darn amazing. So if you're looking for a great vacuum for your daughter in her new apartment,
Might be keeping this one.
Nikki might be wanting to keep it. But if you're looking for a great vacuum at a reasonable price point, this thing is ridiculously cool. It's got a ton of attachments. It works really well. It's not hysterically loud. It comes with replacement HEPA filters with it. Not sure what else you can want. If you want it, there's a link right here on the screen or down there in the description. Doesn't cost you anything extra to use those. Remember, if I brought some value to you, especially Nikki's co-star in this, she definitely brings the heavy heat value. So you want to give this a thumbs up. You want to subscribe to the channel for more cool reviews like this. If you have any questions, let us know. We're happy to talk to you about that. I hope this has been helpful. We'll see you in the next video.